Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by planning scale and materials. Aim for about 2,000 bricks and a 48 by 48 studs baseplate for a medium tiger sculpture to reach roughly 12 to 15 inches tall. Choose brick types early: 2x4, 1x2, slopes, tiles, and 1x1 round pieces for eyes and whiskers, plus hinge pieces for jaws. Allow a clear workspace of 36 by 24 inches and set aside 2 to 4 hours for an initial mock-up, so you can test proportions and color balance before committing to vertical building. Construct the tiger in horizontal layers, stacking blocks in courses and building no more than 8 courses before adding internal cross-bracing to avoid lean. Use staggered seams and overlap joints by at least one stud to improve strength and stability, and alternate brick orientation to lock layers together. Integrate hollow chambers and vertical supports every 6 to 8 studs to distribute weight and allow access for wiring or anchors. For limbs and head, build subassemblies and attach with pins or 2-stud connections so you can refine pose and detail safely. Finish details by adding stripes with 1-stud wide bands and blending transitions using 1x1 tiles and slopes. Place eyes with 1x1 round studs and use whiskers from thin rods. Smooth visible seams with tiles and consider sanding edges of custom cut pieces for a polished look. For permanent display, use a plastic-safe adhesive or epoxy sparingly on internal joints and avoid exterior glue on collectible bricks. Mount the completed sculpture on a 3/4-inch plywood board and anchor with 4 screws through reinforced studs for stable exhibition.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.